your excitement coming into the gym this morning. This is an end of a wonderful week where we celebrated your school, all the things you have learned, and wonderful times with your parents. And today we have a teacher from the Upper Grade Center who is going to lead us in our cereal, Dominos. First, though, I just want to restate why we were doing this project. Is this to be silly and have Dominos? No. Why are we? Somebody raise your hand. Why are we doing this project? Emery. Yes, because Catholic schools, we serve other people, right? And look how many families are going to have a really good breakfast. And as many boxes as we have over here, there's more boxes at the Upper Grade Center.
Good morning, PGC.
Good morning, Mr. Myers.
All right, let's, as Mrs. Thompson said, I'm the STEAM teacher at the Upper Grade Center, and I'm very much looking forward to teaching you guys technology when you get into 4th and 5th and 6th and 7th and 8th grade. All right, let's warm up on this very cold morning. On this side, I want you to say good when I say go, and then on this side, I want you to say morning. Ready? All right, here we go. Good morning. One more time. Good morning. All right, so you guys have collected more than 200 cereal boxes. Hey, how about a round of applause for that? So we have 200 cereal boxes here, and Lulu and Buckley and I, we set these up in the shape of a cross. So we're going to have a little bit of a race here. So you guys can help me count down. We're going to count down. We're going to go 3, 2, 1, and on 1, Lulu and Buckley are going to set this domino in motion. So, are you guys ready? Yeah. One more good morning. Ready? Good morning. All right, here we go. On 1. You guys help me count this down now, okay? Ready? 3, 2, cereal for our community. I look forward to working with you when you get up to the Upper Grade Center.